Hi, this is architect BK Burma from Ramashri Architect. This is Turkey project which is situated at Block C2, plot number 179, Sushantpur City, Lucknow. Let's see the areas of the building. It is a car porch designed for 2 4-wheeler parking space as well as at least 4 to 5 2-wheeler parking space with the Kota flooring, which is combination of white color marble strips and Kota stones. It's a main entrance gate which is designed for 12 feet wide with the combination of multiple materials like mild steel, HPL sheet and glass. It is a small garden space, green carpet and a building apron. It is a plumbing services with a gardening space. It is a veranda space of this building, which is a combination of granite and ceramic tile flooring. Ceiling work with POP. It's a guest entry with mosquito proof jali panel. It is a drawing space of this building. According to design, it is a very important space for any building, which is fully ventilated with a wide space, wide size of windows, which is directly connected with the lawn. And the flooring of ceramic Kazaria branded tiles and beautiful ceiling work with POP materials. And finishing with plastic paints and all electrical fittings like switches of anchor woods. It is a common toilet with dressing space. In toilet, each and every plumbing appliances of a Cera brand, like one-piece western commode with Cera brand, tap, shower, mixture, each and every plumbing appliances of Cera brand. Wall finishing with ceramic wall tiles and ceiling is decorated with POP work and ventilator of UPVC window materials. It is one of the most important space in any building, which is called kitchen. It is a modular type kitchen with white kitchen top with black granite material with wide size of double sink. With directly ventilated with the OTS Its courtyard is multi-purpose. Its courtyard only for kitchen purpose. We can use this OTS for kitchen article washing as well as dishwasher installation. It's a window for a kitchen. Opening OTS area. It's a beautiful dining space of this building, which is directly ventilated from the porch area with the help of sliding UPVC windows. Dining space served by this wash basin. It is a master bedroom with wooden flooring. It is a space for almirah. And a beautiful ceiling work with POP material. It is wide space for dressing for the master bedroom. This is the toilet for master bedroom with same fittings. With beautiful wall tiles and ceiling work. All flush door, which is decorated by the beautiful door screens. It is a nice bedroom of this building, designed for children. It is attached dressing space and toilet of this room. All plumbing fittings the same brand, which is called Cera. In all toilets, door will be installation with PVC material, which is termite proof, waterproof, fireproof. This room is ventilated from the rear OTS. The sliding windows. It is rear courtyard which is very wide space and directly connected to the dining area. And in master bedroom toilets, one entry also from rear ODS. This ODS is very multi-purpose, provided ventilation in every areas, and we can provide washing machine in this area also. This tap is provided for washing machine, and one extra wash machine also provided in this area. It is storage space. Store of this building ventilated from the sliding windows from the hotels. It is a side entry which is operated externally with mosquito-proof jali panels. It's a beautiful staircase which is plated from red granite work with mild stainless steel handrail. A Mumti which is secured from the mild steel door panel. The spacious terrace. It's a handrail which is decorated with the toughened sand-woven glass with handrail of stainless steel. Each ODS with the shaded of PVC sheet to prevent from the dust in heavy windfalls. It is a overhead tank which is a capacity of 1000 liter, situated near the Mumti. This Turkey project, which is covered a plot area of 2600 square feet, and total covered area of this building is approximate 2300 square feet. This Turkey projects type of a residential recently finished by our team of Ramasri Architect, situated at C2 block, plot number 179, Sushant Gold City, Lucknow. Once again, thank you for watching this video.